So hi, I tweeted yesterday that I got a Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. So I really don't know a lot about this company. I'd heard of them, and my mom decided to get me a box for my birthday, which was a few weeks ago. So the box came in a week or so ago, and I was sick when I got it. I wanted to wait. My dad even tweeted me last night, you still haven't opened that box yet? And I'm like, no, because I really wanted to wait and do a fun video when I felt like doing the video and it didn't sound like all. Okay, so here we go. No, not on my bed, not on my bed. Okay, so the cat's throwing up. Hang on. Okay, I think she's okay. So the box is, yeah, well, you know, you can see the size of the box. It is not heavy. Maybe even less than maybe a pound. Not very heavy. And honestly, like, I don't even know how this works. I don't know if you pick what goes in here, or if you pick. I'll have to do all this kind of research and follow up with this because I don't know. Okay. Aww. Okay, so it's got happy birthday inside, and there's a little card, and it says happy spooky season and happy fall. Just because I can't see it doesn't mean I can't believe it, by Jack Skellington. And then it says tag us. Oh, see, I would have tagged my box. I tag us at bibbidi.bobbidi.boxes. And then there's a card inside that says, happy birthday to our favorite daughter. Love you and pray you have a magical birthday, Mom and Dad. In case you can't see. Okay, so it's an iron-on patch. Marie, she's one of my favorites. So I will be adding that to something. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is a button, a cute little pink button, and it says, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. And it's Marie. Alright. Let's see. Oh my gosh! You got ears! Alright, so let's put some ears on. Well, I don't want that. There we go. Alright, so ears. Oh my goodness. Wow! I've never seen this. I have never seen this at all. And it's pink. And it's a Be Our Guest. But it's pink. I don't see much Belle stuff that's pink, and I really like pink. Okay, so this is Daniel Nicole. So it is, wow, that's an expensive. The tag on it says $88 for this bag. Okay, and let me see if I can get a little closer. And there's lots of filling in the bag. Let's see. How fun. It's like having just gone shopping. Oh my goodness, this stuff is everywhere. So I don't know how well you can see, but there is, now I can't remember the names of the candlestick, and Chip and his mom, and I also don't know if you can tell, but it's a shiny pink bag. So that would be a really good one for traveling down there to the park, because I always like to have a bag in the car, or the few times I've flown on a plane, I like to have a bag that I can put my tablet and my books or a book and, you know, a wallet and not have to carry my entire purse. This might be a good one to add a patch to. I've got some other patches and I might just start putting those across the back. I have a place in the other room in the closet where I keep all of the things that go with me to Disney, so that whenever it's time to pack, I can take all of the things that I want. So anyway, and I can't believe I've never seen that bag. As much as I watch all these videos and as many times as I've been to the parks, I've never seen that, and I quite like it very much. And very, very roomy inside. Very, very roomy. Anyway, that was fun. All right. Well, thanks, you guys. I'll put some more information in the description, and the little, you know, all the YouTubers say in the box below. I'll put the links and things like this, and I'll make sure to tell which box this one was. So, oh, and I forgot. I got the ears. I forgot about the ears too. So I should put those out here. So what a cute, cute little set. All right. Anyway, thanks and have a great day. What you think, Charlie? Hi. Hi.